Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so activation goes smoothly. First, open Settings and verify your Windows edition and build. This determines valid keys. Make sure you are online because activation checks Microsoft servers and validates digital licenses. If you have a product key, copy the 25-character code or sign into the Microsoft account that holds a digital license. That link automates activation. Once done, move directly to the activation panel to enter a key or sign in and start the process. Now you execute the main activation steps with care. Open Settings, go to Activation and select Change Product Key if you have a code. Paste it to avoid typos and click Activate. If you rely on a digital license, sign in to the Microsoft account tied to the device, choose Activate, and let the system contact Microsoft for validation. If you upgraded from Windows 10, ensure the edition matches, because mismatched editions prevent activation. Make sure to watch for on-screen status messages confirming success. Finish by confirming activation status and resolving common problems. Check Settings and verify it reads Windows is activated and lists your edition. This shows the system and license align. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter. It analyzes digital license links, common key errors, and requires admin rights and internet. If you recently changed hardware, use the Reactivate on this device option in your Microsoft account or prepare purchase proof for support. If errors persist, note the error code and contact Microsoft for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.